Hi everyone, it's Miss Jan from the library, and I'm going to tell you guys a story today and teach you how to do it yourselves. So my story involves just one sheet of paper and some scissors, something I bet you have at your house. I'm here in my house right now, and so I bet you have those things in your house too. You can even use any color you want. So once upon a time, there were 3 kids, a big brother, a middle sister, and a baby sister. And they woke up one morning to find a big square box in the middle of their living room. Well, they were so excited that they opened it up right away. And inside was a triangle-shaped package. And so they tore off the wrappings, only to discover that what was inside was a tent. They were so excited, they ran outside immediately to set up the tent. So they set it up in their backyard, and there it was, a beautiful triangle tent. Well, they decided the best thing to do would be to go inside of it. So they all crawled in the little round door at the bottom of the tent. And there it is, there's my little round door. Well, the big brother stood up, and sure enough, when he stood up, he discovered that there was a window in the tent, just big enough for him to look out of. The middle sister stood up too, and found that there was another window a little lower down for her to look out of. And there it was. And lastly, the little baby sister crawled over and found that there was a little window too, just her size down at the bottom. And there it was. Well, the 3 of them were so tired after spending so much time setting up this tent that they all lay down and they looked up at the top of the tent, only to find that at the very top, there was a hole right at the top of the tent for them to look out of. And as they lay there, they saw something was in the sky. And the oldest brother said, "Is it stars?" And the middle sister said, "Is it leaves?" And the youngest baby said, "No, I see what it is. It's snow." And the snow came drifting down through that hole in the tent. And you see, my simple piece of paper has turned into what? A snowflake, that's right. So now I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful little snowflake. So we'll start with a piece of white paper. So it's the shape of a square, so you might have to trim off the edge of a bigger piece of paper like I have. You start with that square and you fold it into a triangle, and you want to make sure that your triangles match up at the tip. And so it's even. Well, there's one triangle, and that was the package that they unwrapped. And then you fold it in half again and make sure that those tips match up. And let's make another triangle. And it's best if we put it down on the table and then make a crease. So it's nice and hard. And we'll do it one more time, one more fold. Let's go forward this time. A fold, and we gotta line up those triangles right at the top. And put it down on the table and seal it down. And then there we have it. We have our beginnings of our snowflake. It's just a little tent. And at first I cut a round circle. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You see how that isn't a perfect circle, but that's okay. And we cut some holes on the sides. So you just take your scissors and you go straight up. And you take your scissors and you go straight up. And then you just take that little flap and cut it off. There you go, easy peasy. We'll do one more. And lastly, we're going to cut off that tip so we have a hole in the center. And let's see if this worked out for us. And we'll unfold and see what it looks like. Oh, this one looks like a little bit of a different snowflake than the last one I made. This one's got the stuff on the edges, and and the holes in the middle. And this one has the holes on the edges and the hole in the middle. So it might turn out any which way you like. And you'll get a whole bunch of different snowflakes. And you can fold your pieces of white paper into all kinds of shapes and snowflakes in all kinds of colors if you have different colors at home. And you can put them up on your window so other people can see them. And I hope you have some fun at home today. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Miss Jan from the library. Bye-bye.